Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 multiplayer. To begin your journey, you must first acquire the game. The sole official method for online play is through Warcraft 3 Reforged, available on the Battle.net platform. Once purchased, download and install the game client. A stable internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay, ensuring you can connect with other players seamlessly. This is the definitive path to experiencing the game's vibrant multiplayer community. After purchasing, your next step is installation and account setup. First, install the Battle.net desktop application, which acts as your gateway. Log in using your existing Battle.net account credentials or easily create a new one if you do not have one yet. From within the application, you can then download and install Warcraft 3 Reforged. This process ensures your game is properly linked to your account, preparing you for online battles. With the game installed, it is time to find a match. Launch Warcraft 3 Reforged and select the Multiplayer tab from the main menu. Here, you have two primary options: Quick Play for competitive, ranked matches, or custom games to join player-created scenarios. Quick Play allows you to queue for various team sizes, including 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 3 versus 3, and 4 versus 4, ensuring you can always find a suitable challenge. To truly excel, consider exploring different strategies. Warcraft 3 features 4 distinct races: human, orc, undead, and night elf, each offering unique units and tactics. Experiment with them to find your favorite. Watching professional players and online tutorials can significantly enhance your understanding and skill. Finally, immerse yourself in the vibrant Warcraft 3 community. It is a fantastic resource for learning, sharing, and finding new opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.